Calling all amazing moms. Ready to cook up success right from home? madeByMaa is here to help you unleash your inner entrepreneur. Imagine earning from home, doing what you love, cooking. With madeByMaa, your delicious, traditional, unique homemade food can reach people craving the taste of home-cooked goodness. It's not just about food, it's about empowerment. We provide you with the platform, the tools, training, and the support to make your culinary dreams a reality. Whether it's our state-of-the-art cloud kitchens or your very own home setup, we've got you covered. Join a community of amazing mothers who are balancing family and work like true queens. With madeByMaa, you're not just feeding people. You're sharing love, culture, your home traditions, and the unmatched quality of madeByMaa food. So why wait? Let's turn your passion into profit and make a difference. Cook, sell, and earn. Visit madeByMaa today and start your journey towards entrepreneurship and empowerment. madeByMaa, where every mother is a boss. Download the madeByMaa seller app now.